In this video, we are going to show you how to use Emergent AI for beginners. Now, this is going to be a short video. This is pretty much going to be bare bones basics, but you're going to get what to do immediately. Meaning, Emergent AI is an LLM that will help you create apps, websites, landing pages, etc. Right? Now, the whole thing about Emergent is it's pretty much just like any other LLM, Gemini, Grok, ChatGPT, etc. We want to choose what we want to do. So if you want to build a website, you can do a full stack. If you want to create a landing page, go to landing page. Of course, you want to do or develop a mobile app, go mobile app. Right now, when you sign up for Emergent for the first time, you're going to have 10 credits. Now, for the most part, this is going to be enough to create an app, but it's not going to be enough to launch it, right? Or deploy it, because you need to be subscribed to either Pro or the Enterprise, right? So upgrade to Pro, upgrade to Standard, so on and so forth. You're going to see the credits, how much you're going to get and how much it's going to cost you. But to actually create, so for example, we want to create a very simple website. For example, I'm just going to prompt, just like, be good at prompting, be decent at prompting, you're going to be getting good results. So for example, I want you to create a simple note-taking website / app that I can use in my computer, right? I want you to source everything you need on your own and without any input or supervision from me. This is pretty much vibe coding. You just make it do everything you want and then click send here. And the thing about Emergent is it's going to do what you want, but it's going to give you two things at the beginning. It's going to give you the intro or the welcome, and then it's going to ask you a couple questions so it can be more specific. There we go. That is the welcome, right? This is going to be the welcome. Now we're going to wait for a couple minutes or a few minutes to see what it's going to ask us about. As you can see here, we have a few questions. We have note features. So it's going to be, for the most part, multiple choice. Sometimes it's going to give you this and you can just type your answers, or it's going to be like a multiple choice like Google questionnaire, right? But for this, you can just click either type whatever you want, or you can just click on auto answer. We're just going to say my answer to all 4 questions is A, right? Click send. Now it's going to know what to do more specifically. Now it's going to be more precise and more pinpointed. And here, as you can see, it says design agent. If you click on design agent, it's going to slide, the design agent is going to slide from the right hand side. And this is where you're going to see, if there are visuals, you're going to see it here. All right, as you can see here, there is an app preview now for our note-taking website or app. We can actually click notes. We can actually start typing here. This is one of the best things about Emergent, is that as it is being developed, you can actually start using it, right? And you can even delete, right? As you can see here, delete. You can do everything here, which is pretty cool. And then now we have the testing agent going on. So if you click on testing agent, this is pretty much what you're going to see. It's going to go through everything, develop everything. If there are any errors, it's going to go through everything. I'm going to do a once over to make sure everything's working perfectly fine. All right, we are now done. As you can see, it does take like around 10 minutes or so, depending on how simple or how complex. The more harder the website or app that you're wanting Emergent to develop, the longer and more credits it takes, right? So as you can see here, we are now done. Summary, right? Built a minimal, clean note-taking app with all requested features. These are the features that I wanted. next step actions, which is pretty cool to have. Instead of just like, okay, we're done, it's actually going to advise you for potential next steps and suggestions, so on and so forth. Now, after this, you can actually just deploy the app if you want, but you can't do that if you're not subscribed, or run code review if you want. There you go. So yeah, that is how you use Emergent AI, even if you don't have any zero experience with apps, or making apps or coding. You can actually do it yourself. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. See you on the next video.